life jacket. But I don't know. It looks kind of small.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty deep here.
Oh, secret.
Oh, there. I touched it. Right there. Look. Oh, yes. It'll float. Yeah. If it float me, it'll float you. All right, 215.
Wow, okay. It works for me. Then I feel safe.
I know you don't weigh 100 pounds.